Hello students. Now we are going to the next exercise, third B. Round of the numbers to the nearest thousand. Self practice 3B. Self practice 3B. Second exercise 3B we are going to see. See the first question, round of the following numbers to the nearest 10,000. So which is the 10,000 place? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. We have to round the number to this place. Okay, the fifth digit we have to round, whether it's 30,000 or 40,000, 70,000 or 80,000, 20,000 or 30,000. We are going to round the number to in the 10,000 place. See that to round the number to the 10 nearest 10, we consider the ones digit. We are looking at ones place and according to that. To nearest 100, we are considering the tens place. For the 1000, we are considering the 100 place. Now look at it. To round the number to nearest 10,000, we have to look at the which digit? We have to look at the thousands place. Look at the thousands place. If the thousands place from 1, 2, 3, 4, anything coming, you should not change anything. But if it is above 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means you have to add one number. See that you are going to round the number in the 10,000 place. To round the number 10,000 place, look at the right side digit, right side value 10, the 1000 place. It is 8 here. 8 means above 5. Above 5 means we will add plus 1 to the 10,000 place. So 3 plus 1, 4. And we will do 1s plus 0, 10s plus 0, 100 plus 0, 1000 plus 0. 1, 10, 100, 1000. So this is the answer. Now see that 71,863. The given digit is 71. Nearest 10,000. 1000 places 1. If less than 5, what we will do? Less than 5 means 1s plus 0, 10s plus 0, 100 plus 0, 1000 plus 0. And the 10,000 place just same number only, right? Since it is 1, just 10,000 place same number only. Now see that it is 29,513. To nearest 10,000, look at the 1000 place. It is 9. Above 5, the digit above 5. So add plus 1 to the 10,000 place. 2 plus 1, 3. So 10,000 place is 3. And with the 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100's place 0, 1000's place 0. 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000. Okay, this is the answer. 30,000 is the answer. Now let us go to next question. We are going to find the nearest lakh. Next question. Round off the following numbers to the nearest lakh. Now 10,000 place over. We are going to find the number to nearest lakh. Nearest lakh. Second question. Nearest lakh. 7 lakh 5,321. And B question is 1 lakh 35,484. And the C question is 38 lakh 64,707. Now we are going to round the number to nearest lakh. Which is the lakhs place? The sixth place is the lakh place. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. Okay, now to round the number to nearest lakh, look at the 10,000 place. You have to consider the 10,000 place. Now see the 10,000 place is see according to the digit, change the lakhs place. It is given here 0. Yes, no? 10,000 place 0. Lakhs place to the lakhs place, right side value is 10,000. In the 10,000 place, it is given 0 here. So ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, thousands place 0, 10,000 place 0, and this number, same number only you have to write. 7 lakh is the answer. Second question, what is the nearest lakh? Nearest lakh. To find the number to nearest lakh, look at the 10,000 place. 10,000 place 3. 3 is less than 5. Less than 5 means what you will do? Ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, thousand place 0, 10,000 place 0, then lakhs place same number. This is the answer. Now see this, what is the nearest lakh? So what we will do? Nearest lakh, to find the number to nearest lakh, 38 lakh told, 38 lakh. You have to consider ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Look at the 10,000 place, 6 is here. If the digit is above 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any digit coming in the 10,000 place, in the 10,000 place anything coming, add plus 1 to lakhs place. Add plus 1 to lakhs. Since it is 6, add plus 1 add here, okay? 1 number add 38. So 39 now. Ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, then thousands place 0, 10,000 place 0. Then since the 10,000 place 6, you are adding 1. So it's 8 plus 1, 9. The remaining digit, whatever, just write. 3, just write. This is the answer. 39 lakh. This is the answer for this number, and this is the second question answer. For the C, this is the answer. 39 lakh. Now let us go to our next third question. Third question, nearest 10 lakh. Nearest 10 lakh. Third question, nearest 10 lakh. Nearest 10 lakh we have to find here. So first question, it shows that 32 lakh 54,160. And next B question tells that 47 lakh 83,126. Next C question tells that 51 lakh 70,123. So this is the given numbers. Now from this we have to find the nearest 10 lakh. So we know which is the nearest 10 lakh place. 10 lakh place is the 7th place is the 10 lakh place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now we have to round the 10 lakh place. To round the number to nearest 10 lakh, so 10 lakhs place, right side is lakhs place. Consider the lakhs place. Consider the lakhs place. Look at the lakhs place. If the lakhs place less than 5, let's see the lakhs place less than 5 or greater than 5. Here lakhs place is 2. 2 is less than 5. So less than 5 means don't change anything. Ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, thousands place 0, 10,000 place 0. Then this, since it is 2 no, so lakhs place also 0, lakhs place also 0, and next whatever number write, just 3 only write, same number write. It is 7. 7 is greater, 7 is above 5. Above 5 is 7. So add plus 1 to 10 lakhs place. So 7 have to add plus 1 here in the 10 lakhs place. So 5. It is 5. Remaining are 0. See this here, nearest 10 lakh. What is the nearest 10 lakh? In the lakhs place 1 is there. 1 is less than 5. So what you will do? Less than 5 means this is the answer. This is the answer. Now let us go to our last question. Okay, now next fourth question, nearest crore. We are going to find the nearest crore. Nearest crore. Fourth question, nearest crore. You have to find the nearest crore. And B question is 6 lakh 78 6 crore 78 lakh 25,051. So we have to find the nearest crore. So we know the crores place is 8th place. Just place LHR. This is the crores place. To round the number to nearest crore, we have to now look at the 10 lakhs place. So now look at the 10 lakhs place. Look at the 10 lakhs place. According to the 10 lakhs place, just same rule what we followed, same rule apply here. It is less than 5, so 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Since it's less than 5, whatever digit here, just same number only write. No need increase in the crores place. The crores period, no need to increase. Now here see that it is 7 here. 7 is greater than 5, above 5. So above 5 means what we will do, we will increase plus 1 to the crores period here. Remaining all the number 0. Seven crore and this is 3 crore. Next our last question, question number 5, round off 73 crore 92 lakh 14,356 to the nearest. They give something here. We will follow that. Question number 5. $73 crore 92 lakh 14,356. This is number you have to find. First question they asking you nearest 100. Nearest 100. So what is the nearest 100? How we will consider the nearest 100 to which is the first one? You have to round the number to nearest 100. So what is the 100th place? 100th place. Whether it is a 300 or 400. That's the answer. To round the number to nearest 100, just recollect what you have studied, the nearest 100 rule. To round the number to nearest 100, we have to after 100 right side value is 10th place. Look at the 10th place. The 10th place 5. If the 10th place 5 or above means we will add one number to the 100th place. So since 5, so 3 plus 1, 4. 1's place, 10th place, 0. 1's place, 10th place, 0. And 100th place, 4. Why coming here 4? Understand now? Since it is 5, so 3 plus 1, 4. Then remaining number digit, just as it is right, 14, 92, 73. This is the nearest 100. Next B question. Nearest 1000. To round the number to nearest 1000, which place we will look? So 1000 place, right side is 100 place. Look at the 100 place. If the 100 place is less than 5. Less than 5 means 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100's place 0. And remaining digits same number, right? 14,092 lakh 73 crore. Now question number C, nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. So what is the 10,000 place here? It is 10,000. 14,000 given here. Okay, nearest 10,000. Whether it's 10,000 or 20,000. Okay, you have to write. So nearest 10,000. 10,000 place 10,000. So right side is 1000 place. Look at the 1000 place. The 1000 place 4 coming, less than 5. 4 is which is less than 5. So this 4 digit 0. Remaining all the number right. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, then 1 afterwards. Remaining all the numbers. Don't change other numbers, just write. So this is the nearest 10,000. Next question D. Nearest lakh. Find the nearest lakh. So nearest lakh, to round the number to nearest lakh, look at the 10,000 place. 10,000 places here, 1 coming. So if it is 1 less than 1, what we will do? 1 means don't change 7392. This number keep as it is and remaining all the number 0. 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. See 10,000 place 1. So nearest lakh is 73 crore 92 lakh. 73 crore 92 lakh. Next question E. Nearest 10 lakh. Nearest 10 lakh. Nearest 10 lakh. Right, find the nearest 10 lakh. So we know this is the 10 lakhs place. 9 is in the 10 lakhs place. So look at the nearest 10 lakh. Look at the lakhs place. Lakhs place 2 here. If 2 coming less than 5 till lakh, all the digit 0, remaining digit as it is right. 7390 14 3 5 6. Okay, you have to write everything 0. So 10's place, 10,000 place, 1000 place, and once we have everything 0. All the digit 0, and this is the answer. Nearest 10 lakh. Nearest 10 lakh. This you know, this is a lakh, 10 lakh. So nearest 10 lakh means 90 lakh is the answer. It's 90 lakh. So look at the lakhs place 2. It is 2. That's why we are not changing this number, and remaining all the digits we are putting 0. Next E. Next F question. Find the nearest crore. Nearest crore. So nearest crore, which is the crores place? This is the crore. Yes, no, crore. So to round the number to nearest crore, which place you have to look? You have to look at the, to round the number to nearest crore, you have to look at the 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place. Here 10 lakhs place is, the digit is 9. 9 is great above 5. 9 is above 5. Above 5 means what we will do? We will add plus 1 to in the crores place. So 3 plus 1 4. 74. Then all the digits 0. 1's place. This is the 74 crore is the answer. 74 crore is the answer. Okay, students, I have told you some exercises and the answers, and few which I have not solved here. That is for your homework. You can follow this method and complete your copy and study it for the exam. Thank you.